Hi, welcome back to another lesson. Today we are going to talk about Newton's general interpolation formula. We are going to derive the Newton's general interpolation formula. And so we are going to start it this way. So we are going to say by definition, having these 2 points, that is x and x naught, we say is equals to change in y, that is y minus y naught, divided by x minus x naught. This is the distance between the one x and the other, which is also known as h, and this is change in y naught. But we are not going to write it this way. We are going to remain it like this. So making y the subject of the formula, we are going to have, so that it's going to be y is equals to, when we make this y the subject of the formula, we are going to cross multiply and then substitute this. So we are going to have y naught plus x minus x naught multiplied by x naught. Okay, this is our first equation. Then again, we are going to add another x in this first x's. So we are going to have, we have x naught and xi is equals to x naught, this one, okay, minus x naught x, okay, then divided by change in x minus x1, x minus x1. So we are going to make this one, or this whole x and x naught, the subject of the formula. So we are going to have, which gives, when you cross multiply this and then you substitute this one, we are going to have x and x naught is equals to, we are going to have x naught x, okay, we are there. So this one, it is this one, minus, or it's plus x minus x1 multiplied by x, now this one, x, have x naught and x I. So this one will be our equation number 2. So continuing, we're going to say, but what if we add another one, another x in this? So this is x1, so we are going to have another x2. So what are we going to have? We are going to have, we have x naught, x1 and x2. We are going to use this one, x naught x1, then minus, we are going to minus x naught x1 x2 divided by x minus x2. We put together at that point, then we make this the subject of the formula. So we are going to have, when you substitute, you are going to have x1 x naught, or it is x naught x1 is equals to, it will give us this one, x naught x1 x2 plus this one times this one. We are going to have x minus x2 into bracket multiplied by x naught x1 and x2. This is our equation number 3. So equation number 2 now gives, this is our equation number 2, this is our equation number 2, this one, this is our equation number 2 here. It gives we are going to have y is equals to y naught plus x minus x naught multiplied by x naught x1 plus x minus x naught. We have x1 multiplied by x naught x1 x2 plus, so we are in short, what we are doing, we are adding all these values. So we had in the first one we had y is equals to y naught and all of this, and that is what we have here, and then plus x minus x naught, which is in our equation number 2, then plus, we are going to plus x minus x naught multiplied by, so I hope you can see well, multiplied by, we have x minus x1 x minus x2 multiplied by x naught x1 and x2. This one is equation number 4. So then proceeding all this way, we are going to obtain, having an nth to the nth value, we are going to have, so we are going to have to the nth value, we are going to have this formula, which is y is equals to y naught plus x minus x naught. In short, we are going to write this one, then we go up to the nth value. So we have multiplied by x naught x1 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 multiplied by x naught x1 x2 plus, we have x minus x naught, we have x minus x1, we have x minus x2, okay, then we multiply by x naught x1 x2 x3, so we want to go up to the nth, plus we have another values here, like let's say x4 x5 or x6 and all that, multiply by x naught or x minus x naught, we have x minus x1 x minus x2 continuing up to x minus xn multiplied by, we have x naught, we have x1 going to xn. So this formula here is called Newton's general interpolation formula with divided differences, the last term being the remainder term after n plus 1 terms.